Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I will be telling you about induction program and EPT. So मैंने एक पोल किया था, उसमें 3 ऑप्शंस दिए थे कि कौन सा वीडियो देखना है. तो लास्ट टाइम जब मैंने चेक किया था तो उसमें सबसे ज़्यादा इंडक्शन प्रोग्राम और EPT के बारे में था. So I'll be telling you about that. One of the freshers asked me, is it compulsory to attend induction program? So like they don't tell you something very important, but it is compulsory because for us they asked us to prepare a presentation. It was a 1 credit course actually, to prepare a presentation on induction program, and they asked some questions also regarding that. So maybe for you also they will give something like that, so better to attend. They will be telling you about the facilities. They will be providing like all the facilities like hostel and normal, in college, whatever, everything they will be telling. And about the like student curriculum, one kind of PPT is there. You will be downloading it from VTop. So the total number of credits you have to complete in all 4 years, that is there, and the subjects you can choose. There is FFCS, so they provide like whatever course you want to take, you can take. Discipline elective and like discipline elective means the branch to which you belong, you can choose courses from that. And the one is open elective, where you can choose any course you want. But actually now I came to know that there are certain restrictions. Like now I am in 3rd semester, I can't take open elective now, and discipline elective also I can't take. Maybe from the 4th semester it is applicable for us. And for 1st semester you don't have FFCS, from next semester you will be having it. For 2021 batch, the induction program was online, and it was about like it was for 5 to 6 days. There was some yoga session, Zumba session, that was like there was no use of it. Then there was some kind of function like where you can participate, dance, singing and instrument. That is also there, that was there for us, but for you it will be there or not, I don't know. And yeah, they will be telling you about the academics for sure. Okay, so in short, in induction program they will be telling you about the facilities they provide in VIT, like everything. And how about the CAT is actually a kind of test, you may say, and all the internal assessment and everything. Then इट इज़ जस्ट अबाउट ब्रैगिंग अबाउट द फैसिलिटीज़ दे विल बी प्रोवाइडिंग. मे बी ऐसा हो सकता है कि जो तुम वहाँ पे सुनो वो तुमको रियल लाइफ में दिखाई ना पड़े, क्योंकि हमारे में दे टोल्ड अस देयर विल बी अ स्विमिंग पूल और समथिंग, जो आज तक मुझे कभी नहीं दिखाई पड़ा है हॉस्टल में, पता नहीं होगा भी कि नहीं. एंड द जिम थिंग, in my blog there is no gym. Like there is gym, but they hardly open it. And next comes the EPT. EPT is English proficiency test. It's not very difficult because proficiency is kind of big word for some people, but they will be asking like not basic, but at least kind of average kind of paper will be there. Antonym, synonym and grammar portion, vocabulary, everything like that is there. It is not very tough, but it is not very easy too. For us it was online, so ऐसा कुछ था नहीं. But the people who will not be able to score good marks in EPT, they'll have to take English course in 1st semester. For people who will get good marks, they don't have to take that course. And in a particular branch, the one who scores the highest becomes the PR. PR is basically representative, kind of like in school they were vice captain, captain and all. So here one girl and one boy will be chosen. So I tried telling you everything whatever I knew, but if you have any query you can comment it down in the comment section. And if you find it helpful, please share it with your friends, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.